Are you still storing your company's brain in Google Drive folders? Stop. I tested the 3 biggest knowledge management platforms for 2026 in Document 360, Archbee, and Bloomfire to find out which one actually saves you time. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of Document 360. We'll also be checking out Bloomfire and Archbee and compare the things that I feel you guys need to know the most for you to be able to get more idea on like the goods and the bads and the things that stands out on each one of them. So Document 360, guys, let's start with this one. This is actually positioned as the modern all-rounder in the knowledge management space. So it balances the enterprise-grade power with the genuine ease of use. Now, unlike the heavier platforms that I'll be showing to you in a short bit, it can already be launched in minutes. Now, that allows the teams to publish a fully functional knowledge base almost immediately in a snap of a finger. So it's faster than you making your cup of coffee, all right? Now, its defining edge is Eddy AI, which is actually going beyond basic search by actively writing, summarizing, and then updating articles, which reduces the ongoing maintenance burden. It actually makes it more and easier documentation tool to impose because Document 360 also stands out for its flexibility, handling both the public customer-facing help centers and the private internal SOPs seamlessly within a single dashboard. Now, with Bloomfire, on the other hand, guys, it is by contrast, it is positioned as the heavyweight enterprise option, and it actually excels at deep internal knowledge discovery, and it offers advanced capabilities such as searching spoken words inside videos. However, this power comes with trade-offs. Bloomfire typically requires custom pricing, longer onboarding cycles, and that level of complexity that can feel excessive for teams that are seeking just, a clean, fast, and scalable help center, right? So it's just like an overkill, basically, right? And then the next one is Archbee. So Archbee, guys, is best described as the developer's favorite, and it shines in API documentation and technical environments with that strong Markdown support and GitHub integrations. That same technical focus, however, can be a drawback for non-technical teams such as marketing, HR, or your support people. And additionally, guys, its modular pricing means features like AI and analytics are often paid add-ons, which leads to that higher and less predictable cost, which, again, you do not want to happen, right? You want that tool that will get the job done in, not actually charge you a fortune, right? Easier to use, fast, scalable, and your team won't have any hassles of adapting and getting onboarded very quick in like a snap-on, basically, right? And guys, the verdict ultimately comes down to experience, AI, and analytics. Now, Document 360's hybrid editor bridges that WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get simplicity in Markdown power, which makes this tool accessible to everyone. And its AI-first design combined with that actionable search insights creates a continuous feedback loop that also improves documentation over time. So guys, again, I want to make sure that you are always doing your own research. When you hover over your mouse on the features, it will show you a lot of different things. Of course, check those one out because, again, those will definitely help you in getting to know them more, getting to know them better on what are the things that will be able to help you out in improving your efficiency and getting all the job that you require done fast and efficient. So guys, again, go ahead and check this one out. If you want a platform that scales with you without that enterprise headache, I recommend Document 360, guys. So guys, let me show you real quick, all right, how it looks like when you are logged in to Document 360. All right, so this is the account that I have. And again, guys, you can go ahead and use the link in the description. That way you could, do that free trial and see for yourself the power of this one. So you could start the tour right here. So you click on start the tour, it will show you the different things, the different features inside your Document 360 account. As you can see, you have that left menu navigator. Okay, so this is the part, the left one. All right, so this one right here. Now you have that site builder. Okay, so if you click on that one, it will actually take you to this part, right? So this is the knowledge base portal. You could actually go ahead and explore this one. That way you could have an idea on, the team auditing, the localization in workspace. You could even back up and restore the data that you have in there. You have the billing, of course. You have the knowledge base site, customized site, custom domain, and all that. And here on the left side, you have the interactive decision trees. Now, this one right here, if you click on this, you could create that decision tree. And you have the docs, right? That's actually what I like about this one, is that you will have all those help, like the things that you need to know right before you start off. So like that one, when I clicked on docs, it actually took me right here where it is explaining what I need to know regarding that specific feature, right? And you also have the API documentation, you have the feedback manager, analytics, and a lot more, guys. I would, of course, strongly suggest try this one out. Click the link in the description and maximize or take advantage of that free trial. That way you could explore the things that you feel, is this something that I really need, right? And again, this is actually going to help you out in making your process efficient, and it is not going to charge you a fortune unlike other, tools out there. So again, guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.